What's up, guys? So we're out here in Philadelphia with Alejandro and our good friend Cody.
What's up?
It's a cool guy right here. So pretty much today, guys, we're gonna go get some cheesesteaks and just kind of enjoy and just go check out the the atmosphere and the life of Philadelphia,
Liberty
guys.
Bell, obvious.
Everything, guys.
City of brotherly love.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Philadelphia all day. McMill, we're looking for you.
Alright guys, so right now Cody's taking us to Jim's Cheesesteaks. He recommended this place to us.
Yeah, man, that's not where the tourists go. That's where locals go mostly. I mean, some tourists too, but lots of things to do there. You know, not just Cheesesteak, is a whole strip of restaurants, bars, stores. Good place to check out. So highly recommended.
If you ever want a good Uber, Cody is the man to go to.
Yeah.
The best Uber in Philadelphia.
Cody.
The best one, number one.
Thanks, Cody.
Wow, man.
Alright guys, so Cody just dropped us off in Southern Philly. We're gonna come try Jim's Steak. He recommended us. It's eaten by the locals, so we're gonna try them out.
Let me see. Yeah, you got banana peppers?
No, we have hot peppers there.
Can I get that, please?
Give me at the next station.
Okay, so now we're upstairs at Jim's place. We're gonna try it. I'm gonna give it my first bite at the cheesesteak. Take a look at it. Got some provolone, onions. I'm gonna give it a chop. Tastes awesome. Tastes delicious. Very nice and fresh.
Alright guys, so I kind of took a bite out of it, but let me take another one. Pretty good. I liked, I forgot what was the last place I went to. I liked it more, but it's still not bad though. Good cheesesteak. Alright guys, so now we just finished eating our cheesesteaks. Now let's go explore around town. Alright guys, so we just got finished eating some cheesesteaks. I know they were alright. It wasn't the best, but I guess it wasn't the worst.
Yeah, it tasted better to be honest, but
yeah, but right now we're in, let's see, frozen rolled ice cream.
Ice cream.
And I love ice cream. It doesn't matter if it's negative 10 degrees or if it's 100 degrees outside. I'll eat ice cream anytime, man. Let's go get some dessert, guys. Let's see how it tastes. Hello, man. How you doing? How you doing? Yeah. Can I get the s'mores, please?
Any toppings for you?
What type of toppings do you guys have?
the strawberry shortcake. Thank you, boss.
Alright guys, so right now we're trying that out and man, this is delicious. This hits the spot. What do you think, man?
Yeah, I think so. I got the strawberry shortcake. You got the what?
This right, I got Oreos with the marshmallows and bananas and Nutella. And my
Strawberry
man's
shortcake right here. Delicious.
delicious.
Alright guys, so we just got done eating our ice cream. Now we're going to the Rocky Steps. We're gonna take it over there.
It is super cold.
He's cold. It's just because of the ice cream foot. It'll go away soon.
Alright, so what's up guys? So we just arrived here to the Rocky Steps. So if you're a fan of boxing, you ever seen the movie Rocky, you see those cool steps behind me, this is what you've seen in the movie. Look at that, that's pretty cool to be honest. Some of you guys might look at this just as steps, but if you've seen the movie, this is pretty cool guys. And look at the scenery around the town. It's just, wow, look at the lights. It just brings the whole city to life and everything.
Now we're gonna actually try to run the steps. I don't know about me, cause but I know Fernando can do it. We're also gonna have some drone shots, so let's check them out. Ready? Go. Alright guys, so we just made it to the top of the Rocky Stairs. Now look at this view from our drone. Alright guys, so I hope you guys like the drone shots. We are now walking to City Hall and we're gonna show you guys what's there at City Hall. City Hall is just right over there. We're close. And yes, it's a bit chilly, it's about 30 degrees, but the thing that messes it up is that it's windy, so that's why it's colder now. So, but it's alright, I mean, I can handle it.
Thing that we thought was pretty cool guys about Philadelphia is that there's a flag for every single country here in Philadelphia, and it's kind of awesome because it makes it seem to foreigners that you're welcome here. Now, it doesn't matter if you're colored, it doesn't matter where you're from, your flag is here, so you're welcome here. And it's also kind of cool to know that this flag is from this country and all.
Makes you feel welcome, makes you feel good. You can learn something. Like, I don't know that. Like, some of the flags down the street more were like, it was like Liberia's flag. It's pretty cool. It's pretty fun. It's nice to see them.
It's nice that right under the flags they have little tags saying this is from here and on. So that's kind of cool. But let's go check this out over here, guys.
Alright guys, so now we're here at the City Hall in Philadelphia, and right now Fernando and I, we're just relaxing. I think we're just gonna end the vlog right now. We had a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let us know down below.